In this lesson, we are going to learn about lists. Lists are a group of standard variables tied together in a special variable called a list. When you think of list in our everyday life, there is a list and there are list items included in the list. For example, your to-do list may have 4 or 5 to-do items. Likewise, list variable can store a number of items for convenience. We can give a number to each item to locate exactly where the item is inside the list. This special number is called an index, in a fancy programming word. We will practice how to declare a list and store values inside them. Also, we will be using some useful methods that are already built in for you to use. Now, let's begin. In this video, we are going to learn about lists. The list is a collection of objects, and it is similar to arrays in other programming languages. List is also an ordered group of objects where each items in a list can be accessed by the assigned index number. Take a look at the example code. The list variable L1 is assigned with collection of integer values, and L2 is assigned with collection of different types of values. It has integer, double, string, and boolean. When we print out L1 and L2, all the items in the list will be printed, including the square brackets. You could also print out a single item by specifying the index number, such as L2 bracket 2, where 2 is the index number. As you can see, hello is printed. The reason why hello is printed is that this is 0 index, and this is first index, and this is the second index, and this is the third index. So we printed out the second index of this L2 list. That's why hello is printed. If you don't know the specific index number, then you could use loops to iterate through the given length of the list as shown in the example code. Since the first index always starts with 0, the last index will be the length of the list minus 1. As you can see in the console, the for loop will print out each items individually by their own index number I. So it starts from 0 and it ends right before the length of L1. The length of L1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length is 6. So it gets access to 5th index number of this L1. That's why it is printed from 0 to 5. Now try assigning different values such as character list to L1 and string list to L2 in the example code. How do you think it will get printed out? Since L1 is a character list, each letters will be printed out. And because L2 is a string list, each string values will be printed. As you can see, each characters are printed and string values are printed. Now, try practice example for yourself in Dartpad or locally and see the different results and outputs. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.